Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial of mine. So before we go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more of my upcoming tutorials and so you can be a part of my little family going on right here. But anyway, in this tutorial I'm just going to be showing you how I got this very smoky glittery eye and with this very paley nudie pinky lip. I don't really know what to call this lip. I've used a few new products. Also the other day I done a review on the new Maybelline foundation and the pressed powders and things like that, so if you want to go and check that out, make sure you click the link in the description bar or the one in the top right hand corner for you guys. But yeah, without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off using my new palette from number 7, what I had for Christmas, and I'm just going to be using like this taupe brown shade just to go in the crease, just to start off the transition shade. I'm just going to be blending this in and just blowing it out as much as I can so it's nice and blended. And then I'm going to go in with the Tart clay palette and then go in with the two shades, which is in the shade Journey and Stone, and I'm going to mix these two together and start deepening up that crease a little bit more and blending it out as much as I can as well. I'm then going to use the shade Ember, and this is just going to make the eyes look a lot more warmer. I wanted like different types of brown shades in there to deepen it up. So yeah, I just thought I'd use this shade, and then I'm also concentrating this also in the crease and on the outer portion of my eyes and just blending it all together nicely. And then I'm going to use the two shades Dunes and Smoke, and this is just to deepen up a lot more. I'm using a crease brush from number 7, and I'm sorry if I sound like really nasally, like I'm getting another like cold, like literally I swear all I've had like since last year is cold, so sorry about that guys. But yeah, I'm just going to be blending that out into my crease and on the outer portion of my eyelid. Then I'm just going to take the Maybelline Eraser Concealer in the shade Light, I think it was, and just start cutting that crease just on the inner corner of my eye. I've never done this before, so literally like bear with me guys, but once I've done it and blended it all out, I'll set it with the shade in the Tart Clay palette in the shade Solstice, I think that's how you pronounce it, I have no idea. But then once I've done that and set it all, I'll just be blending that harsh line in with the brown shades, just so it doesn't look like we've plonked like loads of concealer on our lids. And then for the shimmer, I'll dip back into that number 7 palette and use like this browny, yeah, like a browny silvery glitter shade. I'll concentrate this on the inner corner because this is where I want the pop of colour. I'll be using a brush and then my finger just to pick more of that pigment up. And then I'll be using a eyeliner from number 7. I forgot what shade it is, but it's like a gold metallic. I just thought it looked really pretty in the waterline. And then for eyeliner today, I'm using the waterproof eyeliner from Smashbox. First time trying it and I absolutely love it. It went on literally like really nice and smooth. So once I've applied on the outer corner, it's not like a really, you know, long and big wing. I just wanted like a black line there just so I could smoke it out a little bit, and I just use the same browns and blacks out of that Tarte palette. And then moving on to the lower lash, I'm going to be taking all the browns I concentrated in my crease and just popping them on the lower lash just to add a lot more definition underneath there. And then for the inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm going to go in with the Tarte highlighter in the shade Expose and just run this underneath the lower lash line as well. I'm then going to dip into the Millie Mackintosh contour and highlight palette and just use this shade just to mainly bronze up my face a little bit. Now I'm sorry the lighting has gone a bit weird here. My ring light has actually broken, so I'm just waiting for one to come. It should be here by the time you're watching this, so yeah, sorry about the lighting guys. But yeah, I'm just bronzing up my face and then I just dip back into that Tarte palette and use their contour shades just to contour further. And then for blush today, I used the Dior blush and I did put a little bit too much on, so I went back in with Real Techniques blush brush, sorry, just to blend all that pink shade out. I forgot how pigmented this actual blush is. And then for highlight again, I'll just be using the same Tarte highlight in the shade Exposed that we popped on the eyebrow bone and the inner corner. And then for lips today, I'll be using a Smashbox lipstick in the shade Primrose. It's like a nudie pink colour, like it's really nice. I didn't want it to be that pink to go with this look, but in the end I think it looked really nice. And then to add gloss on top of that, I just went in with the Dazzle Glass by MAC in the shade Like Venus, and then I spritzed my face with the Pixie Glow Mist Setting Spray. So guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. It was something new on my channel. I haven't really tried the concealer, like cutting the crease and things like that, because I didn't think I was really good at it, but for my first attempt I think I did okay. Also to mention, these ears, I got them from River Island. I know I wore them in my last tutorial and this tutorial, but I just think they're really cute, and they were just calling me when I went into the shop. So yeah guys, let me know on your thoughts on this makeup look right here, and also what you want to see next on my channel, whether it be to do with hair, makeup, whatever you want to see. Leave your thoughts and comment down in the comment section below. And also, if you did miss out on any more of my tutorials, it's linked in the description bar down below. The makeup products I use, that's also in the description bar down below. But hopefully I'll see you in my next tutorial, and yeah, I love you all so much, and bye!